Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 270. And if we start with this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 9 here, so this is our 1. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 3. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 8, 9. 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 7. 3 here, so 5, 7. And that means that our 3 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 8, no help here, 5, 6, 8, 6 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 7 and 5 here, so this is our 1, 7 here, so 5, 7, and that 7 makes this our 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 8. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 3. That 5 makes this our 8, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, and I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. And that means that our 2 for that box has to be here. For this top row, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. I just made a mistake there. We were missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 1. And we don't have any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 8, 6, 5. And that 8 makes this our 6, 8. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got the 1 here, so 9, 1. That 9 now makes this our 7, 9. For this box, we're just missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.